Is it time to buy or sell Heico stock? In this video, we will explore Heico in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Heico as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -0.92%. This results in an average loss of -0.15% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 4.73% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -0.725% to 17.06%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 24.08%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 3.3% to 38.8% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $315.43 and $423.80. Our latest daily update for Heico includes the headline: Heico Corporation stock price down 1.37% on Monday. The Heico Corporation stock price decreased by 1.37% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. It fell from $309.59 to $305.34. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.99%, ranging from a low of $304.39 to a high of $313.49. The price has been quite variable during this period, resulting in a loss of 2.28% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on this day by 291,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 648,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $197,870,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $338.92, while the lowest price was $216.68. Currently, the price stands at 9.91%, or $33.58, below the 52-week high of $338.92, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Heico delivered an impressive performance in the third quarter, reporting record net sales that increased by 16%, record operating income that rose by 22%, and record net income that surged by 30% to $177,300,000, or $1.26 per diluted share. For the first 9 months, net income saw a significant rise of 34%, reaching $502,100,000, or $3.57 per share. These results validate the recent optimism from analysts regarding stronger segment sales, expanding margins, and increasing demand in the aerospace and electronics sectors. In the short term, the stock is likely to experience a positive reaction. Unexpected gains and upgraded forecasts typically lead to intraday buying, upward revisions from analysts, and short covering, all of which can drive the price higher. Keep an eye on management's guidance. If they raise their targets, the momentum could continue. Over the long haul, consistent margin improvement, strength in the aftermarket aerospace sector, and disciplined mergers and acquisitions could warrant higher valuation multiples and steady earnings per share growth. However, there are risks to consider, including the cyclical nature of aviation, variability in defense spending, and broader macroeconomic or supply chain pressures. Thus, future share gains will hinge on effective execution, robust cash flow, and sustained order momentum. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned HEI a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned HEI an outperform grade, also with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned HEI a sector weight grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned HEI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned HEI an equal weight grade, which also came with a hold action. Analysts have provided a general neutral rating for Heico stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts assigned the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Heico. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Heico Corporation stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. During potential upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of 307.21 cents and 316.87 cents. A breakthrough above either of these points would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on the 4th of August, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 9.54%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased while prices were falling, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 12 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 16 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 86 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 111 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. And support, risk, and stop loss for Heico. Heico Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $299.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $9.10 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.99%. During the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.87%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Heico, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 25th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at $1.12 per share. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Heico. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Heico is at $313.20. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Heico faces its first support level at $299.64. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Heico from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 4th day of January in the year 2024, when Alan Schriesheim conducted an insider purchase of 44,000 shares of common stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Heico stock a good buy? The Heico Corporation stock presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Heico Corporation will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, we expect Heico to open higher by $2.40, starting at $307.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.